Hello everyone, I never expected chicken wings made this way to be so delicious, healthier than deep fried, tastier than braised, no baking or boiling needed. They come out crispy, fragrant and full of flavor. Just looking at them makes your mouth water. The best part is, the method is extremely simple, guaranteed you'll learn it in no time. Let's take a look at how I make them. Today I spent 30 yuan to buy 2 jin of mid-joint chicken wings. Add a spoonful of table salt to the wings, then use your hands to mix and rub them for about a minute. We use salt to rub and wash the chicken wings, which helps remove any unpleasant odors. After rubbing, pour in an appropriate amount of clean water and soak the chicken wings in the salt water for 20 minutes to draw out the blood. After 20 minutes, let's take a look. There's already a lot of blood drawn out into the water. Next, thoroughly wash the chicken wings several times until the water runs clear. Once cleaned, take out the chicken wings and squeeze out the excess water. Then use a clean towel to pat the surface dry. Next, use a knife to make shallow cuts on the back of the chicken wings. This helps them absorb flavor better and also shortens the cooking time. You only need to make the cuts on one side. Once all the wings are cut, place them in a large bowl. Next, prepare 30 grams of fresh ginger, sliced thinly, and a few stalks of scallions, cut into sections. After cutting, add them to the chicken wings. Then add 1 spoonful of salt, a little sugar to enhance the flavor, a splash of cooking wine to remove any unpleasant odor, 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, and a bit of pepper. Mix everything well by hand for about 1 minute to let the chicken wings fully absorb the marinade. After mixing well, set it aside to marinate for 20 minutes so the chicken wings can fully absorb the flavors. Once the chicken wings are marinated, take them out and place them in another large bowl. Then crack an egg into the bowl, add a spoonful of flour and mix everything together by hand. Combine the egg and flour into a batter so that the chicken wings are evenly coated with it. This way the chicken wings will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, making them even more delicious. Finally, once you've mixed it to this consistency, it's ready. Prepare a frying pan, add a little oil and heat it up, then place the chicken wings coated in batter into the pan. Cook over low heat, slowly pan-frying the chicken wings until they hold their shape. Then gently shake the pan to ensure the wings cook evenly. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point, could you please use your amazing hands to give it a like and share it? Your likes and shares are the greatest support for me. Thank you so much. Pan fry for about 3 minutes. Once the bottom turns golden, flip the chicken wings to the other side. Continue to cook over low heat. If the heat is too high, the outside will burn while the inside remains uncooked. Be sure to flip the wings frequently during cooking so they heat more evenly and cook through properly. This way, the chicken wings will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Finally, fry the chicken wings until the surface is golden and the skin is crispy and fragrant. Once they look like this, they're ready. Just looking at them makes your mouth water. Alright, take them out and place them on a plate. You can sprinkle some pepper salt, barbecue seasoning, or cumin powder on top according to your personal taste. At this moment, my tears uncontrollably flowed from the corners of my mouth. It just smells so good. A delicious plate of chicken wings is ready. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and incredibly fragrant. The key is that it's super easy to make, and as soon as it's out of the pan, the kids are fighting to eat it. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.